Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing well at your home. I am also fine. I am Zafar Al Zahid, lecturer in ICT Rajukutra Model College. In this video lecture, I will discuss chapter 4 word processing from class 6 ICT textbook. You have to write a lot for study. You write down on the papers of notebooks or on plain papers with pens or pencils. Students whose handwritings are good, who can write clearly, have clean notebooks. There are some students who do not have good handwritings and has a lot of overwriting and cannot write in organized manner. Their notebooks do not look good. Sometimes you need good handwriting. What will you do if you want to publish a school magazine or write an address of honor or submit an essay for a national competition? Actually, we had nothing to do in the past in such situations other than getting it typed in a typewriter. Now we can get it beautifully printed after composing it in computer application. The software made for writing is called a word processor. To write something, words need to be written and arranged in a specific written system, which is called processing. This to make word processing, and the software that process is called word processor. So a word processor software is a type of software application used for composing, editing, formatting and printing documents. The main difference between normal writing or typewriter and word processor is that in word processor editing or changing is possible. After editing on typewriter, if we find an error, we can really do nothing except cursing ourselves. We have to write it again if we want to correct the mistake. On the other hand, nothing can be easier than correcting the mistakes in word processor. Not only mistakes, any other editing can be done if we wish. A new part can be added, discarding the old one. The second major difference between normal writing and word processor is document saving. It is not so easy to preserve something handwritten. We often cannot remember where we have kept it. It may not be found when required. Even if we find it, it may be damaged by insects. Word processors have no such problems. All writings can be saved as files in a hard drive. If required, it can be copied in pen drive or CD. It can also be saved in others' computer if someone wants to be cautious. As word processor is very useful and popular software, all renowned software companies have made good word processors. Microsoft Word, MS Word, developed by Microsoft company, is such an application software. If anybody wants to have a word processor free of cost, there is a software for him called Open Office Writer. So you can understand the invention of paper was obviously a milestone for human civilization. 1,000 years later, now it is possible to write something without papers, which has made it a new dimension to human civilization. Here are some examples of word processor softwares. MS Word, which is a component of MS Office, Writer, which is a component of OpenOffice.org, WordStar, WordPerfect. These are some word processor software. Besides these softwares, there are many more softwares which can be used as word processor software. Now I will discuss the advantage of word processor software. Any job can be done correctly even if any kinds of mistakes occurs during the typing. We can present our document in different ways, like we can change the font size, change the font and change the color, and can make boxes and can have text effects in word processor software, which was not imaginable in the typewriter machine. Have a look at MS Office Word's application software. In this software, here the menu is known as ribbon. From the ribbon, we select Home tab. If we select the Home tab, we will see some sections like font section and paragraph section. From font section, we can do formatting of our documents, like we can make our document bold, italic and underline. We can change the color of our document. We can highlight our document from the font section. These functions are given in the font section. Beside the font section, there is paragraph section. From paragraph section, we can make bullets, numbering and change alignment of our text. Now I will discuss some features of word processor software. In word processor software, we can change the alignment of our paragraphs. There are 4 alignments in word processor software like MS Word. First one is left alignment, the second one is center alignment, the third one is right alignment, and the fourth one is justified alignment. We can make our document attractive by including photographs, graphs and tables in word processor software, which was not possible in typewriter. By using word processor software, we can copy any part of our document. Our documents can be saved many times using word processor software. To save our document, we can save it by clicking or pressing Ctrl S from keyboard. We can work with several documents simultaneously without any problem in word processor software. We can find and replace any word very easily in word processing software using find and replace command of MS Word. Repeatedly needed documents can be saved as template. Template is a great feature of MS Word or any other word processing software. Like you want to make lab report every week, then you can make the lab report as a template and use the lab report whenever you want to make it from the template. Spell checker is a great feature of MS Word. By using this feature, we can find our mistakes in spelling and we can correct our mistakes from the dictionary. We can save our documents in pen drive, memory card, and we can send the documents to anywhere by using electric mediums like pen drive, memory card or email. This feature was not possible in typewriter machine. By using word processor software, file management become very much easier. Let's have a look at the interface of the MS Word 2007 software. In this software, the above part where the title of the document is written is called title bar. Below the title bar, it is called menu bar. And below menu bar, it is called standard toolbar. Here is the formatting toolbar, and the right side there is a scroll bar which is used to scroll our document. In the left side there is the ruler, and we can see the ruler at the top of the document. Working area is white where we type our document. Besides this, there is a status bar below our software interface. In the status bar we can see the number of pages and number of words in our document. This button is known as Office button. If we click on Office button, then this kind of box will appear. From this box we can open our previously saved documents and find the previously saved documents very easily. Spacebar is used to make blank space in MS Word. By pressing enter button, we can make new paragraph in MS Word. We can move the cursor in MS Word by using arrow keys or mouse. If we want to delete any portion of the text, we use delete or backspace button to delete that portion. Delete button deletes the right to forwarding words, and backspace button deletes the backward words. Here are some shortcut commands which are frequently used in MS Word. To open a document, we use Ctrl plus O key together. To make a new file, we use Ctrl plus N key. To save a document, we press Ctrl plus S key together. To close our document, we press Alt plus F4 key together. To print our document, we press Ctrl plus P. To cut the document, we press Ctrl plus X. To paste the document, we press Ctrl plus V. If we want to underline our document, we press Ctrl plus U. If we want to bold our text, we press Ctrl plus B. If we want to make our document italic, then we press Ctrl plus I. If we want to select all the documents in MS Word, then we press Ctrl plus A key together. We are at the end of our video lecture. Thank you everyone for watching this video lecture. In the next video lecture, I will discuss chapter 5.